because properly it write codes and all, then it will give results. So we need to give prompt, properly prompt, because we are not given any prompt, simply run the regression. Now it is finding what could be the independent variable, what are the independent variables. If you give a proper prompt, you will get accurate results. This also, it will complete in seconds. Not have any internet issue. It will not be like buffering. Now all the Python codes are generated. There is a provision to copy all these codes also. So it is chosen OLS regression model. The data, not a other forms of regressions. OL ordinary least square method fits the data. So it has on its own, it has chosen OLS method. So it has given all the parameters. So it has calculated all. What is the GDP growth? That is its slope is given everywhere. Actually, it develops graph everything. Maybe internet is a problem. Not able to. Screen also, everything will come in one screen. Okay. It also gives interpretations. Not only just giving results, it will give you interpretations. It also gives possible explanation of each variable. Why it is behaving in this fashion, like that. Okay? So this will help you without knowing technique also. Simply you can just run any kind of technique, not only regression, any kind you can run very simply, just cutting and pasting the data. That's all. And the explanation also it will give you for that kind of results. So wherever necessary, you need to customize it. Because you are the main researcher, you know why this function is behaving, why you are getting regression results like that. So you have to customize it. Wherever possible, you have to include your reasons. That's all. Very simply you can finish it. Any technique you can ask simply put the data. Okay, draw the graph. Even graph also, what kind of graph you want also. If you know specifications, you can prompt it. Otherwise, it will take on its own. Like that, Julia says there are so many AI tools are available. That is what we call now AI empowered research. Here also some tools are there. You can click the tools. What kind of scientific tools? Julius, no theme, interactive, dark, anything you can choose. Okay. Advanced reasoning also available. See, so many graphs it has generated. Manually, if you want to generate on Excel and all, it takes a lot of time. All that generated just for a click. Better visualization. Same data, before running the regression, you can also visualize what kind of data is available. The data is a linear partition. That's why it is taken OLS, ordinary list. So you can run the graph. Whatever you want, just type here, that's all over. It will do. Anybody has got idea? Madam must be doing factor analysis. In the most primary data, if number of variables are more than 20, number of years, observations are more. Regression, sometimes you get multicollinearity issues. When you have multicollinearity, autocorrelation, any kind of diagnostic test issue, then simply you have to go for factor analysis. Okay? What is the factor analysis? It's a multivariate technique. It's available on SPSS and other softwares also. Okay? Simply same data will enter, run. Factor analysis. So you have the data, you can use different techniques, any techniques you can use, same data. Then whichever the data provides you best results and convenient results in relation to your topic, you can choose it. Or you can also argue in your thesis, applied both quantitative, qualitative techniques, and this particular technique has given robust results, therefore I retain and present. EF is nothing but explorative factor analysis. Will give you a straight plot, everything. So if you have the data, you can play with the data. Once data is clean data, you can play with number of techniques. For this, why do you go to supervisor unnecessarily? What he does? Unnecessary wasting his time. You can do experiment and show this is the factor, all factors it is given. Okay, if you want to export to any Word file, any file, you can say. What is the text it is generated? Yes, so whatever you have done, it is there on the left side. Okay? Go to chart, whatever you have done, it is available. It will not go unless you delete it. It will remain. Earlier you have done whatever it is available here. It will be there on the, when you click this 3 dots, 3 lines, it will appear. Or if you want to go any new also, you can go straight away. Then come to back, click new. Here sometimes new it is available. Enter the data. What do you want to run with this data? Any technique which you are thinking? Huh? SCM analysis. SCM, do you know what is SCM analysis? Generally when we apply? When we apply SCM analysis, if 2 or more variables acting each other, then only we go for SCM. But whether in this model, whether it applies, it is. It does whatever you name it, it does. Generally in regression you go for 2SLS or SEM model. Or what is one more? 3 options are there in this scenario. data is not suitable for SEM analysis. Primary data and variables should be more, and variables acting each other. Then only we go for structural model. Yeah. That's what I said. We don't use semi. So there is one more data is available. All are thinking what determines rupee value. Okay. Now it is a burning topic. What determines rupee value? You can select the data, or you can give there also file name. Simply go to click here. Here it is. Simply test the data. What are the determinants of rupee value? So what is, I will say, run regression. What is dependent variable? Rupee value is dependent variable. These are all you can also do in SPSS, but you need to interpret it. It will give you results. But this is the advantage is quickly it does, and you need not enter the data systematically X, Y, X, X1, all variables, data and all. Whatever the form data is available, simply just paste it. Or you can choose the file also. So the data, it is the table it is given. What's happening to rupee value? It is increased and declining after 2022, continuously. 2024 further decline. That's the table it is generated. Okay. What is the text? It will give you all the data. What is the table it is given? Impact of rupee value, impact on inflation. What is the impact on inflation? GDP impact and CAP and forex results. All data it is given. What is its impact? Simply you can export it to Word file straight away. You can ask subsequent question also. You go and try whatever the data you have so that you will become confident. So what I would like, therefore, doing PhD in this era, digital era, is very easy. Very easy. You do not finish in years, you can finish in days. That's all. It has given what impact of inflation. Current account balance is all minus. What takes? Otherwise it will show all. It's all provided even correlation map also, heat map with the different colors. This heat map simply you can just copy or you can download. Chart is downloaded. So you don't know how to interpret this heat map and all this because all you are new. ChatGPT, all you know very well, ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT. Simply say interpret the result. Interpret. Simply type only interpret. That's all. There's so many colors, you are confusion of interpret. It is giving all the results. Here observation strongly positive correlated in the forex business 0.95 FA flow 0.8 all and negatively influenced correlated with the GDP and foreign portfolio investment, GDP growth, current account balance, CAB, forex results. When it is given all interpretation, summary also given. Repeat depreciation is strongly related with oil prices trade, but that's true also. Wherever you find difficulty, simply cut and paste. And this interpretation simply go to here it's copy all this, go to Word, simply paste it. All will come here in the Word file. That's it. Whatever the way you want, you can. You can write every day one article. Best article you can write every day. When you can download the data, IMF data, World Bank data, and now you got Julius AI, run in that, what are the results produced, put it in a ChatGPT, any other, and results interpreted, and customize it. Now you no need to ghostwriters unless that. They are doing same thing. They are cheating you simply. They are not writing anything because your ignorance is their money. There is a lot of money. Every university, every district, every colleges, there is one writer. He is not rewriting anything. Simply he is manipulating things and giving the thesis. You can write thesis in 10 days. That's all. If you have the data, you know the clear objectives, clear hypothesis, techniques. What else do you write in the PhD thesis? And you can show the different colors, heat map and all. People will get confused. What is the heat map and all? You have done very serious work. Nothing serious. It's only spending few seconds. That's it. I have not done nothing. In front of you only, just pasted and asked about. Prompt engineering is most important. What you prompt, you get desired results. And students also doing projects unnecessarily, going to the Xerox center fellow and getting Xerox everything. You can do project on your own using simple techniques. Simply you can generate at least frequency distribution tables and interpret. That's all the frequency table, cut and paste it in any software. It will interpret it. That's all. Introduction available, objectives available, hypothesis available, techniques available. Only your mindset has to change. And you have to invest the time, just few hours. That's all. Instead of going all the way to the Xerox center and people asking everyone what should I write and all, going 10 times to the teacher, what is the project like? Why are you wasting time? You can do on your own, provided you have one laptop and internet. Okay? Take small topic also, or take the Google form, send it across people. At least out of 300, 100 will respond. That's a beautiful study on any aspect. And if you are able to integrate some computer science, that morning also I was discussing computer science, Python also is teaching some faculty. So integrate Python, results will come, analysis will come on its own. You will not do anything. Python, integration of Python. Okay. If you want to learn Python effectively, there is one Rupal IIT, one professor is there, Sudarshan Iyengar. He has got a lot of videos, NDPL courses are available, join. Joy of Learning competition. He is a world famous Python specialist. Okay, one can join and learn. Even faculty can join. So that you can write your own course. Why do you depend? When you are sending a Google form, integrate with a Python, you can ask what you want analysis. As and when they respond, table will be generated automatically. Analysis will be generated. Simply copy and put it in Word file and you can play with that. That's all. So therefore, Gen Z scholars don't waste time. They have a lot of things to do in the real world scenario. If you go very lazily with outdated technology, techniques, you will not land anywhere. You will land in trouble only. Don't rely too much on teachers. You have to explore on your own and explain to them what you have done. If they give any good suggestion, take it. Not that should not go to teacher. Go there, but unnecessary calling 110 times for a small problem. Your problem, you are the solution. That's all. Okay? Any questions? Welcome. Otherwise, this internet killed us. Anyway, let us see. So wherever I go, I deliver a lecture, AI empowered research, and I'll show them how to do research very smartly, how to write a paper smartly. That's it. Any questions? Welcome. Otherwise, thank you all. That's why I don't have any PowerPoint, no structure. Generally I go for research methodology courses and I take the topic from one scholar. And introduction to final conclusions also generate end of the class. Somewhere one scholar said my topic is towards the PhD. Sir, I want to copy all these things. 1.5 hours I generated results of it. He had downloaded World Bank data set.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor B. Sudhakar Reddy, the Director of ICSSR, Ministry of Education, Government of India, to honor a chairperson with a short and honoring certificate. For that, I request Dr. Jairani, Ms. Valarmadi, and Ms. Hajira from Aisha College. Thank you, sir. We came to know many things about research, sir, that we can complete PhD in one day, sir. Thank you, sir. We have wasted a lot of years, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
One
sir.
scholar come up with these techniques and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
really I am very happy.
Yes, sir.
My objective is to sensitize what latest updates.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Let me introduce Dr. Sangeeta Rangasamy, an accomplished academician and researcher currently serving as an associate professor at the School of Business and Management, Christ University, Bangalore. With over 21 years of teaching and research experience in finance, accounting and taxation, Dr. Sangeeta has consistently combined academic depth with industry relevance. Her research primarily focuses on banking, the stock market, financial literacy, and emerging areas such as analytics, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and climate finance. She holds a PhD from Christ University on the operational efficiency of commercial banks and an MPhil from Bardiyar University. Beyond teaching, she has led funded research projects from Christ University, ICSSR, and international collaborations addressing issues from financial literacy to women's empowerment and sustainable finance. She is also an innovator and thought leader with a patent on employee stickiness, a conceptual framework. She has guided numerous UG, PG, and PhD students, many of whom have presented and published research papers under her mentorship. A passionate educator, speaker, and researcher, she has delivered lectures, keynotes, and workshops at national and international platforms while actively building collaborations with reputed institutions abroad. The best paper, she has also received the Best Paper Award and named as Gopi Kanda Pudume. We are happy to have her with us today. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Just to break the monotony, I just want to give one small brainstorming exercise. Okay. So we'll make some thought-provoking small activity. Okay. That is 60 seconds only. Listen to me and you need to follow the instructions clearly. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Okay. He will do what I'm saying. Okay. He will first demonstrate it to you all. Can you please come here? Yeah. Yes. Please come. Yes, please come forward. Get up and come here, please. Let us not waste time. One moment. Okay, everyone please get up. Please get up. See, this is to understand value of time. Okay, please pay attention here. This is to understand value of time. I think you all know this, right? No, time is the key resource which has to be used effectively. Correct, Alia? Time is the important asset, we can say, a resource. Okay, listen to me. Nothing great and done. 1 to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 60 you need to count. Don't look right, left, front, back and all. Okay, you count on your own face. Once you have completed, quietly sit. Don't disturb others. Allow others to complete it. Let us see how long it is taking to complete. Okay, are you all with me? One, I'll tell when to stop. Rules follow. Whatever it is, we need to follow systematic procedure. Am I right or not? Okay. So now,
what do you need to do? 1 to 60 counting individually, not copying anyone, all on our